State to go for 3 days complete shutdown with effect from 27th of July Monday to 30th of July 5 am in the morning. Law Minister Ratan Lal Nath declared the same through a press meet on Saturday. Tripura to go for 3 days total lockdown with effect from 27th of July to 30th of July in the morning. Law Minister Ratan Lal Nath announced a phase of 3 days lockdown in the state, exempting services. Government of Tripura Office of the Chief Secretary dated 25th of July 2020 ordered. It has come to the notice of the state government that there is a spread of COVID-19 occurring in different parts of the state which has posed a major threat to the public health, hygiene and safety of the people. It is also felt that unless stringent measures are put in place to contain the spread of pandemic, there is chance of spread of COVID-19 in the population, which is likely to cause loss of human lives. Therefore, under the Disaster Management Act, direct enforcement of total lockdown in the entire area of the state of Tripura with effect from 27th of July 2020, that is Monday, to 5 am on 30th of July 2020, Thursday, has been declared.
In different parts of the state, which has posed a major threat to public health, hygiene and safety of the people. এক্ষেত্রে এবং যদি stringent measure না নেওয়া হয় তাহলে এটা আরো স্প্রেড করতে পারে এবং there is a chance large scale spread এইজন্য এবং এর ফলে the population which is likely to cause loss of human lives এসব জিনিস চিন্তা করে Chairman of the State Executive Committee of the State Disaster Management Authority, in exercise of the powers conferred under Section 22(2)(h) of the Disaster Management Act 2005, direct enforcement of lockdown, total lockdown in entire area of the state of Tripura for 3 days. With effect from 5 am of 27 July 2020 থেকে to 5 am on 30th July 2020 অর্থাৎ সোমবার, মঙ্গলবার, বুধবার টোটাল দিনরা এখানে করেছে। নর্মালি আগামীকাল রাত 9টা থেকে লেগে যাবে, কারণ অলরেডি কারফিউ নাইট কারফিউ ইজ দেয়ার। তাহলে এটা ঘোষণা কিন্তু আগের থেকে ঘোষিত আছে রাত 9টায় কারফিউ, তো সেটা থেকে আরম্ভ করলে যতক্ষণ।
On this issue, Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb addressed the people of the state, wherein he said, after several attempts, policies and efforts, cases of COVID are rising in the state, and this is mainly due to the people who entered Tripura after the onset of coronavirus pandemic. He further said PHCs and CSCs would visit every villages and tests would be conducted for those who are symptomatic. He also added 50,000 APL families in Tripura will be provided with free ration for next 1 month. He promised to help each and every family of the state and try to improve the economy. But here it needs to be mentioned that lockdown is not the appropriate solution to the problem. 3 days of lockdown won't affect much, as the people would come out of their homes very next morning. Rather, the government should ensure more tests, proper medical facilities, more beds, and immediately look into the facilities in the COVID care centers. And most importantly, raise public awareness among the people of the state in every nook and corner. According to the major section of the people, the rising cases of the coronavirus in the state is due to the irresponsibility of the BJP government. Mismanagement and wrong policies of the Health Ministry of Tripura has led to this critical situation. Bureau Report, Halla Bol.